Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. This is going to be an unboxing of the new Shine 1 from Italco. So let's just get to it. Alright, let's see what's inside the box, and let's see the gun. First of all, you're going to get your manual. It does come with a cup, some extra seals, the toolkit, and the gun. Alright, let's just open the gun. Open the bag so we can see the gun. There it is, guys. This is a 1.3 H.V.L.P. and it's got a real nice feel to it. The design of the gun is awesome. It's nice. Totally different from any other gun. Wow. Yeah, that's all that's included on the box. Alright guys, let me open it up so you can see the tip. Right there. It's a real nice quality of gun. I'm gonna be doing a review and spray out with this gun, so stay tuned for that. And yeah, this is it, guys. This is the unboxing of the new Italco Shine 1 1.3 H.V.L.P. I'm gonna leave the information of this company, the Italco company, down in the description. Hit the link so you can see all the different type of guns they have. This is their newest gun. I really like it. I really like the design. It's totally different from any other gun that I have seen. So just take a look at them. So this will be it, guys. It's a real short video. It's just to show you the unboxing of that new paint gun. I have two more paint guns I'm gonna be doing an unboxing of, and also I'm gonna be showing you the very first paint gun that I have ever used. I hope you guys like it. That's coming up this week, during this week also. So just stay tuned. Alright guys, thank you very much. Subscribe to the channel if you're not a subscriber. There's more videos to come on this Mustang, and there's also more videos to come on other projects. Alright guys, so thank you very much. Have a great week, and like always, God bless.